the doghouse today. Today I'm going to fix up the little tweaks that we have to do to get the truck the way I want it, like shifting. It's a big thing. I checked the transmission fluid. It was topped up. So I want to get underneath there and see what, maybe I screwed something up when I hooked up the linkage. I really don't know, but we'll find out. And I want to change the gasket under for the pan because it's just leaking oil like crazy, and I'm still leaking engine oil. I have no idea where it's coming from. I thought it was coming from the dipstick. This time here there was oil on top of the intake, down in the little, the little valleys and sort of stuff. So I don't know where that's coming from. Rocket Pat thought it might have been from the oil pressure gauge. So I tightened that up. There was no leaks around the gauge at all, or the tubes and this sort of stuff, and where it goes into the block. There was no wet around there. But anyway, they could have did their last drop before I looked at it or whatever, but yeah, there was a fair amount of oil on the top, so I tightened up all the fittings. Hopefully that worked, and so today I'll get under there and get that pan gasket changed without getting too oily. Yeah, and I noticed Rocker Pat, he's been wearing these headlights here, and I got one, and I think it is great. Got 4 different settings on it or something like that. But I tried it out the other day when I was under there, and it worked fantastic. You can shine it out, just the little dark spots and sort of stuff, and you can set it up wherever you're looking. That's where this here can go. Like it's great. I can't wear it just regular. I got to tuck the straps here behind my ears to keep it on my head, because my hair is so long that the hair just slides forward and falls off. So you guys with short hair that go to a barber, they can wear this no problem, but I tuck it behind my ears, and I guess that's why Rocker Pat has a ponytail. So anyway, once COVID is over, I'll get my hair cut, but right now she's long. So anyway, let's get to work and get something done. Hang tight. Here's something, guys. I don't know if you noticed that when we're working around the car or the truck underneath and sort of stuff, we use these lights. These are LED lights that I got from Amazon. I got them quite a while ago. I think I paid $60 for 6 of these here. They're 3 feet long, something like that. And they come with a little cord, a little cheatsy little cord. But I just took the cord off, their cord off. Their cord plugs into the end and keeps on falling out. So I just put some tape around it. Well, I think Keith did this, put some tape around it. And then I wired in a switch, little on-off switch. They're extremely bright, really bright lights. And tough, very tough. You can step. We've stepped on these. We kick these here. We drop stuff on them. It's just, they're tough. And I put it through the ultimate test this morning. I was here in the shop, and I wanted to move the truck, and so I drove over top of the light. It still works. Okay, is that a tough light or what? This is not a plug for Amazon lights or whoever makes them, but when you can flatten her down like that, driving a truck over it, turn around, turn her on, that's a good light. Indestructible, as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, I got 6 of them, I believe. Yeah, 6 for $60. Keith, he bought a bunch of them too. But you just can't wreck them. They're impossible. Now, maybe if you run bulldozer over something, you might wreck them. But anyway, I just thought I'd point that out. Anyway, back to work. Well guys, I got the transmission pan out. I had to kind of hard to show you the stuff under here, but I got the pan out anyway. It was catching on the filter, so I had to jack the transmission up. I jacked it up about 1 inch, and it was because the cross member there was kind of holding me up. But anyway, I got it out. But anyway, I want to put this on the pan and see what happens. Get her done. Hey guys, I'm going to wrap it up for today. I got the filter off, or I got the pan off. I got it cleaned up, and I changed the vacuum hose. And what else did I do? Yes, that's it. Had a lot of oil running down my elbow, but anyway, I got a question for you before I shut her down. Here's my oil pan, and when I was cleaning it up, I noticed that there's like high spots, if you want to call it that. Like, if you, I don't know if you can notice on this one here, you can see this one here now. You can see again, it's like the head of the bolt. This one here is a little bit of it, you can see there. This one here is not bad. But my question to you guys, here's another one. It looks like this here is like upwards towards the transmission, up that way. And I'm thinking these here should be pushed down a wee bit. Like if I take a round punch, and put blocks underneath here, and push this here down a wee bit. I don't think that should be up like that. I think it's been too tightened too much. Anyway, if you guys have an answer, or a suggestion, or a comment, or whatever the case may be, give me a shout. Put it in the comments, because I want to put this together tomorrow. And put the oil back in and see if the truck is shifting now that I got. Well, I didn't change anything other than the vacuum line, and I've got it coming right off of the intake. So hopefully that's enough, and I can get it going. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for the support. I appreciate it. And leave a comment, please. I really like the comments. Just right down below, right down there. Put a comment. Scroll down a wee bit. Bye now.